guys, and welcome to Storytime Friends. I'm Georgia, and today I'm going to be reading The London Bridge. Let's get on with our rhyme. The London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with iron bars, iron bars, iron bars. Build it up with iron bars, my fair lady. Iron bars will bend and break, bend and break, bend and break. Iron bars will bend and break, my fair lady. Build it up with gold and silver, gold and silver, gold and silver. Build it up with gold and silver, my fair lady. Gold and silver I've not got, I've not got, I've not got. Gold and silver I've not got, my fair lady. Then off to prison you must go, you must go, you must go. Then off to prison you must go, my fair lady. That's all for today. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time on Storytime Friends. Bye!